Hi, today I am going to tell you about articles. Articles go in front of nouns. There are two articles. An, indefinite article, the, definite article. Here are some example sentences. I have got a book. He is in the house. We are driving in an old car. Did you see the articles? A, the, and an. The nouns in this sentence are book, house, and car. The articles are in front of the noun. There can also be some other words between the noun and the article. For example, adjectives like old. The article the can go in front of any noun, both singular and plural. A and an can only be used with singular nouns because a or an means one. So I cannot say a houses. But what is the difference between a and an? You use a in front of words which start with a consonant sound, and an for words which start with a vowel sound. A vowel is a letter like A or E. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. All the other letters are called consonants. I will give some examples. It is a house, but an ear. It is a car, but an apple. It is a car, but an old car. There are some words that don't follow this rule. Please take a look at the grammar sheet and find out what they are. You can also try some exercises.